Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome to this quick guide on how to send XDC from Bitmart to Revolut 2025. If you're looking to move your XDC tokens seamlessly, you're in the right place. XDC, or Zinfin's digital currency, is gaining popularity, and with Revolut's user-friendly app, transferring it has never been easier. In this video, we'll walk through the entire process step by step, so you can do it confidently and avoid common pitfalls. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have accounts set up on both Bitmart and Revolut. If you haven't already, download the Revolut app and verify your identity. It's crucial for crypto transactions. On Bitmart, log in and head to your dashboard to check your XDC balance. Double-check that you have enough funds, including any withdrawal fees. Next, navigate to the withdrawal section on Bitmart. Select XDC as the cryptocurrency you want to withdraw. This is where things get exciting. Enter the wallet address from your Revolut app. To find it, open Revolut, go to the crypto section, and tap on your XDC wallet to copy the address. Pro tip: always use the correct network, like the XDC Network, to avoid any transaction failures. Now, specify the amount you want to send. Be mindful of the minimum withdrawal limits and fees, which might vary in 2025 based on market conditions. Once you're ready, hit confirm and double-check everything. It's your crypto, after all. You'll get a confirmation code or email, so keep an eye on that. After initiating the transfer, it might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the XDC to appear in your Revolut account, depending on network congestion. Once it shows up, celebrate your success. Remember, crypto transfers are irreversible, so always verify details before proceeding. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you've just mastered sending XDC from Bitmart to Revolut. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Stay safe out there, and happy trading in 2025.